Now see here, find the values. So we have to find the values of this 4 digit number with a 2 digit number, 4 digit number with 2 digit number, 4 digit number with 2 digit number. In the first question we did, so 3 digit number with a 2 digit number, 3 digit number with 2 digit number. So here in first bit 6 sums we did, more 4 sums were there, that 4 sums you do as your home assignment. Okay. The remaining 4 questions were similar questions. Okay. In this bit the same, but here we have 4 digits, we have 4 digits. So whenever this multiplication is there, first you prepare your rough column. Which column? Rough column. So this is your rough column. Now what is our question? 2534 into, here 21 is there, then how to write this 21? 21 is nothing but 20 plus 1, 20 plus 1, 20 plus 1 is 21. Now we have to multiply 2534 with 1, 2534 with 1, 1 4 za 4, 1 3 za 3, 1 5 za 5, 1 2 za 2, 2534, right here 2534. Then after that multiply with 2, 2534 multiply with 2, 2 4 za 8, 2 3 za 6, 2 5 za 10, 0 and 1 here, 2 2 za 4 plus 1 5. Here how many zeros there in 2? So 1 0 is there in the product, you keep 1 0, that is you start your writing from here 0 8 6 0 5. So in this way you have to write. Now this is, now we are going to add 4 plus 0 4, 8 plus 3 11, 1 in tens place, 1 carry over on hundreds place, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 6 12, 2 in tens place, 1 carry over on thousands place, 2 plus 1 3 and this 5 as it is. It is our 53,214. Okay. Now here 3,449 we have to multiply with, here 35 is there, 35 means 30 plus 5, 30 plus 5. Now this is your rough column. First you multiply 3,449 with 5, 3,449, 3,449 with 5, then multiply with 5, 5 nines are 45, ones means 5 in ones, 4 carry over on tens place, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4 24, 4 tens and 2 hundreds, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 2 22, 2 hundreds and 2, one more 2 in thousands place, carry over on, then 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. It is 17,245. Now 3,449 with 3, 3,449 with 3, 3 nines are 27 and 2, carry over on tens, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 14, 4 in tens place, 1 carry over on hundreds place, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 3 in tens, 1 carry over on thousands, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. When we multiply with 3, 10,347 is our answer. Then here in 3 it is not 3, 30, 1 0 is there, so we keep 1 0 here. Then how to write? First 0 in ones place, 7 in tens place, 4 in hundreds place, 3 in thousands place, 0 in 10,000s place, 1 in lakhs place. And now you add 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 in tens, 1 carry over on hundreds place. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 means 0 in thousands place, 1 carry over on 10,000s place, 1 plus 1, 2, and this one only a number 1 is there, so 1 as it is. It means 1,20,715. This is your product. Okay. Now, here 6,510 as it is plus 54 means 50 plus 4. 50 plus 4, 54. Now, here rough column first. Now, 6,510 with 4. 6,510 with 4. 4 0 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 0 and 2. 4 6 are 24 plus 2, 26. 26,040. 26,040. Now, 6,510 with 5. 6,510 with 5. Now, multiply. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25 and 2 carry over here. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2, 32. Then 1 0 we have to take. In 50, 1 0 is there, 1 0 we have to write. Then how to write this number? First, this 0 here in ones place, another 0 in tens place, 5 in hundreds place, another 5 in thousands place, and 2 in 10,000s place, and 3 in lakhs place. Now you add 0 plus 0, 0, 4 plus 0, 4, 0 plus 5, 5, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 means 1 in 1000, another one is 10,000 carry over on 10,000s place. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, and here only 3 is there, that 3. 3,51,540. This is your product. Okay. Yes, now students, next question. 5,554 with 56. Then 5,554 same. 5,554 multiply with 56 means 50 plus 6. 50 plus 6 is 56. So, this is your rough column. First, you have to multiply 5,554 with 6. 5,554 multiply with 6. 6 4s are 24, 4 here and 2. 6 5s are 30 plus 2, 32 and 3. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 3, 33 and 3. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 3, 33. It means 33,324. Now, 5,554 with 5. 5,554 with 5. 5 4s are 20 and carry 2. 5 are 25, 26, 27, 7 and carry over on hundreds. 5 5 are 25, 26, 27, 7 and carry over here. 5 5 are 25, 26, 27. Here 50 means 1 0 is there, we keep 1 0 in ones place. Then how to take? First 1 0 in ones place, another 0 in tens place, and 7 in hundreds place, another 7 in thousands place, one more 7 in 10,000s place, and 2 in lakhs place. Now add 4 plus 0, 4, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 plus 7, 10, 0 and carry over. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11 and carry over here. Again 11, 2 plus 1, 3. 3,11,024. 3,11,024. Now, 432 same. 76 means 70 plus 6. 70 plus 6. 2 lakhs 4,321 here into 70 plus 76 means 70 plus 6. Now, first what we have to do? 4,321 with 6. 4,321 with 6. Multiply with 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 2 and 1. 6 threes are 18 plus 1 19 and 1. 6 fours are 24 plus 1 25. It means 25,926. Now 4,321 with 7. 4,321 with 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14 and 1. 7 threes are 21 plus 1 22. 7 fours are 28 plus 2 30. Here one 0 is there, that 0 you have to keep here. Now, this 0 in ones place, 7 in tens place, and 4 in hundreds place, and 2 in thousands place, and 0 in 10,000s place, and 3 in lakhs place. Now add. 6 plus 0, 6. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. Carry over here. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 2 plus 0, 2, 3. 3 lakhs 28,396. Okay. Now, 2,809 into 89 means 80 plus 9. 80 plus 9, 89. Now, this is your rough column. First, this is a distributive property. Which property? Distributive property. Then 2,809 with 9. 2,809 with 9. 9 9s are 81 and 8 here. 9 0s are 0. 0 plus 8, 8. 9 8s are 72. 2 and 7 here. 9 2s are 18 plus 27. 18 plus 7, 25. Means, what is your answer? 25,281. Next. Now you multiply 2,809 with 8. 2,809 with 9. 9 9s are 81 and 8 here. 9 0s are 0. 0 plus 8, 8. 9 8s are 72. 2 here and 7 here. Next, 9 2s are 18. 18. Here we have to multiply with 8. No, here 8 is there, not with 9. 2,809 with 8. Take here 8. Okay, not with 9. Now 8 9s are 72. 72 means 2 here and 7 carry over here. 8 0s are 0. 0 plus 7, 7. Now 8 8s are 64. 4 here and 6 carry over here. 8 2s are 16 plus 4, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay. Here 80 is there, 1 0 is there, so that 0 we have to keep here. Now 0 in ones place, 2 in tens place, 7 in hundreds place, 4 in thousands place, 2 in 10,000s place, and 2 in lakhs place. Now add. 1, 8 plus 2, 10. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Carry over here. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Carry over here. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 2,50,001. So this is your answer. So in this way we have to find the product when 4 digit numbers are given. So how to find with 2 digit number? So this is the product to find. Here more 4 sums were there, so that 4 sums 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. These 4 sums are similar sums, similar questions that you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now students, see here. So in this multiplication by 3 digit number, So we have to multiply 3-digit number with a 3-digit number. Then how to multiply? How to multiply? See here, 329 we have to multiply with 147. So it means 329 is same, here we have to multiply. So here we have to write this in expanded form. 1 is in hundreds place, that is 100, 4 is in tens place, that is 40, 7 in ones place, 7. First we have to multiply 329 with 4. First you make 329 into 147. First we have to multiply 329 with 7, with, it means this complete we have to multiply with 7, with 7. 7 nines are 63, 3 here and 6 here. 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 6, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 20, 0 in tens, 2 in hundreds place. 7 threes are 21, 22, 23. This is over. Multiply with 7 is over. Now we have to multiply with 4. Multiply with 4. See here, here 4 means 40 is there. It is in tens place. So that is why we have to keep a 0 here first in ones place. Now with 4 we have to multiply. 4 nines are 36. 6 here and 3 here. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus this 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, 1 here and 1 here. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. And now we have to multiply with 1. 1 means here 1 is in hundreds place. So we keep 2 zeros, ones and tens, because how many zeros we have here? 2 zeros. So that is why 2 zeros. Now you multiply with 1. 1 nines are 9. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. Now add. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. 3 and 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. 48,368. Okay. In this way we have to multiply. Okay. First we have to multiply 329 with 7, 329 with 4, 329 with 1. So when 4 is there, we have to keep a 0 in unit place. With 1 we have to keep 2 zeros. Why? Because in hundreds place 2 zeros is there and in 40 1 0 is there. So that is why when the second number we are going to multiply with second number, in ones place we keep 0. If we are going to multiply with hundreds place, means we have to keep 2 zeros. Okay. Yes, now find the product of 3-digit number with a 2-digit number we have to find. So then see here, 432 with 22 we have to find. See here, 432 with 22 we have to find, with 22. First we have to multiply with 2. So what is 432? Same. 22 means 20 plus 2. 20 plus 2. First we have to multiply 432 with 2. 432 with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. Then again we have to multiply 432 with 2, this 2. But here we have 1 0. First we have to keep 0 in unit place. Now we start multiplication with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. Now you multiply. Okay. Now you add all these 2. 4 plus 0, 4. 6 plus 4, 10. 0 tens and 1 in hundreds place. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15, 5 in tens place, 1 in hundreds place, 5, 8 plus 1, 9. 9,504, 9,504. This is our product. This is our product. Now here 221 multiply with 56 means 50 plus 6. See here how to do. 221 multiply with 56. First 221 multiply with 6 means this complete we have to multiply with 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 12 and 1. 6 twos are 12 plus 1, 13. Now we have to multiply with 5. In 5 we have 1 0, first you take 1 0 in 1's place. Now you start multiplication with 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and here 1, 5 twos are 10 plus 1, 11. Add 6 plus 0, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 3 plus 0, 3, 1 plus 1, 2 and 1. 12,376. Now 316 multiply with 45 means 40 plus 5 means 316 multiply with 45. It means first this complete we have to multiply with 5. So this complete we have to multiply with 5 first. 5 6 are 30 and 3. 5 1s are 5, 5 6 7 8. 5 3s are 15. Now we have to multiply with 4. In 4 40, that is 1 0 is there. In unit place we take a 0 first. Now you start with 4. 4 6 are 24 and to carry over. 4 1s are 4, 5 6. 4 3s are 12. Now add 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 4, 12, 2 and 1 carry over. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. 12, 2 and carry over on thousands place. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4 and 1. It is 14,220. 14,220. Now 225, 17 means 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7. Now 225 with 17. First you have to multiply 227 with 7. 7 5s are 35 and 3 here. 7 2s are 14 plus 3, 15, 16, 17 and 1. 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15. Now with 1. 225 with 7 is over. 225 with 1. 1 means here 0 is there. First you take a 0, then 1 with 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2. Now you add 5 plus 0 5, 7 plus 5 12, carry over. 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 8, 2 plus 1 3, 3,825. Now 473 multiply with 63 means 60 plus 3, 60 plus 3. We have to multiply with 6 and 3 as well as. 473 multiply with 63. First we have to multiply this with 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21 and 2 here. 3 4s are 12, 13, 14. Now, so this with 3 is over. Now this with 6. 6 means 1 0 is there. First you take 0 here and 6. 6 3s are 18 and 1. 6 7s are 42 and 1 43. 4. 6 4s are 24, 24, 28. Then add 9, 8 plus 1 9, 4 plus 3 7, 8 plus 1 9, 29,799. Now 386 with 45 means 40 plus 5. 40 plus 5 means 386 with 45. First 386 we have to multiply with 5 means this complete with 5. 5 6 are 30 and 3. 5 8 are 40. 40 plus 3 43 and 4 here. 5 3 are 15 plus 4 19 with 5 is over. Now we have to multiply with 4. 4 means 40 is there, we have to take a 0 first. Now we start with 4. 4 6 are 24 and 2 carry over. 4 8 are 32, 34 and 3. 4 3 are 12, 13, 14, 15. Add 0, 4 plus 3 7, 9 plus 4 13 plus 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. 17,317. Okay, so this is the multiplication 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. More 2 sums were there, similar questions. The 2 similar questions here home assignment. Okay.